Skin girl, skin just like pearl.
Hey, my chocolate babies, it's your girl, Dipsy Chocolate. Oh. Guys, your girl is about to be 19 and I don't know how to act. I don't know how to behave. We're in like a pack of sardine. We cannot escape or we cannot come out. So guys, I'm gonna make sure that this vlog is about an hour and a half or 2 hours because oh my god, look how I look. Yes, but that's gonna start look terrible until the Dolly birthday. I'm excited, I'm overwhelmed. Yeah. So I order some things off of Shein. I go do my nails, I go do my toe, I go do my makeup, I go take in my dress. Guys, I'll be things that go up. So more to do like, comment, subscribe, share, like again, comment again. I'm excited. Me excited. So I got order my ear off of Amazon. Alright, so guys, you see from my last prom video, if you haven't watched my prom video, after you don't watch it, you can go watch it. But I'll end up with 2 dresses from my prom. So the dress, so whenever I get to wear my prom, I go wear for my birthday dinner. And it's a go loud. It's a go look good. So I'm so excited. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, this is October the 4th. Yesterday was the worst day, and today is looking, if I'm not full of cold or hearted. So today is looking like a very bad day. But you know, we're gonna pray and get everything. Give God the glory. See me? I have a toothache. Well, I don't even know if my teeth hurt me or my gum hurt me. You know, she said it looks well. I cannot talk over here, so my gum swell over my wisdom teeth, and that's my problem. I don't even, that's a toothache though. I think it's a gum, it's not a gum problem. My wisdom teeth is growing, or what kind of other teeth are there when they start grow, and some things are going on with my teeth. But today's the 4th, right? So this is 12 days before my birthday, and I'm having bumps on my face. Look at the bump them on my face. My teeth are hurt me. I have cold. What the? I'm not gonna doctor. I'm gonna take out my teeth 12 days before my birthday because boom, it take out my face swell up. I have to go back to doctor, this and that. I have to take a pill right now, so guys. So this is 12 days before. Okay guys, I start applying already. I was telling you guys about my acne. About the acne on my face. I don't even know if I should call it acne or some, I can't be teenager bump because I'm coming out of that era, like, so I'm using this. It's called Saint Ives acne control because all right, this week my face have 1 bump. Next week the 1 bump dry up, 2 bump come. Like girl. So I'm going to use this. It said I must use it like 4 times a week to see results. So I'm going to try using 4 times a week to see some results. So I'm going to use it, then I rinse it off and see some results, because today is October the 6th. So guys, it's 10 days for my birthday. So I can't be out here looking like no zombie, like no, I don't even think I should have used the word zombie because people with bump on their face, they're not zombies. It's just that I don't like when bumps are on my face because when I'm filming, I just don't feel like I'm pretty. Even though nothing is wrong with it, it's just, it's just me. That's my opinion. So don't feel offended by it, okay? Because I love all of you, period. So I'm just going to try using this. So anybody who have acne or wants to clear up their face, you can maybe try using this and to see if it works, right? So I'm going to use this and take a shower. So, oh my God, fix the camera. Hey, my chocolate babies. It's October the 7th. So it's like, Lord God. Oh my God. My birthday's just around the corner. Right, it's at 10 minutes past 9 now. I'll be going to pick up my hair from Quick Ship in Harvard. I was supposed to do like some deliveries today. Oh, I did my nails. Oh, this is not my birthday nails, though. This is just my personal business. This is my personal nails. They're nice, right? Period. So I gotta pick up my ears today, and I was supposed to drop off some vape. Don't mind my hair, guys. It's crazy. Supposed to drop off some vapes and press on nails today, but the persons they canceled on me. Don't do that. If you're ordering, don't do that. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go offer you go pick up my ear. Because let me tell you, do not send in no invoice to the shipping company. Them a thief. And my money may forget pay for pick up the blasted something because I never know someone for sending an invoice. So I'm just going to get ready. I'm going to take a bath. I'm going to use the same thing, the Saint Ivories or something I'm use for my face yesterday because I don't know if it's working. Because I'm saying 4 days before you can see any results. I'm going to try that. And that's what I'm gonna do today. Do some little skincare and go pick up my ear. I really need to start packing. Like I want to start packing like Monday because I tend to forget things like most say like in the car driving to the hotel. I'll be like, I forgot my charger or something like. I'm not gonna pack my charger on Monday, but you know understand what I say. But they tell you no me good. Well, I am going to the Club Caribbean in Runaway Bay. So I'm going to be doing a review on them also. So it's not only just a birthday vlog, y'all be getting. Guys, I'm gonna tell you this. I'm going to be 19 years old, and let me tell you, it's stressful. So I'm going to have nails. That's how I behave. I don't know how to behave different. So it's stressful because you're going to have to get your nails, your toes done, your hair done, your makeup done, your dress, everything. So in regards to my dress, so I think I should go get it tailored today because the top of it is kind of too big because I have small boobs. So I'm going to have to get that tailored. But I don't know if I'm going to do it today. I maybe do it on Monday when I'm coming from school. Because today is going to be hectic because the rain is falling. Want to hear it? You hear the rain falling? But yeah, the rain is falling. So guys, let's go. If you don't eat breakfast already, I think I'm going to eat something else before I go on the road because I do not want to spend any money. But alright, let's go get something to eat. And go do the skincare. Because look at my skin. One thing about me. I go warm up on Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So this is what the breakfast is looking like. One thing about me, I'm gonna get something to eat. I took a shower and I put the scrub on my face. So this is the second day of using it, and this is 9 days until my birthday. So let's see, 2 more days to apply this and see like how it works and if it does anything to my skin. My hair is a mess. I'm going to put on a wig because, girl. So I don't know if you can see me, but this is the outfit. Then I forgot to drop off the bag here somewhere. So guys, I never imagined the problem that I go through. What me head? Me even go come. Me not business at this point. Me say me I try. Fi comb me head would comb. Me rotted. Like a cross is the perimeter rotted. Anyways, me I go up on the road now. But me big at this point, you know.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her how to kick that a youngin' never seen before.
I am at Quick Ship. I'm going to collect my package. So hey my babies. So guys, this I'm gonna go for around the week. This I'm gonna go wear a party tonight. If I'm gonna party, I gotta fix it up. Maybe we're gonna go the party with me. The party is going to be a part of my vlog. So this is the ear that I just pick up. These are some Sheen things. This is my birthday clothes. So it's still not the bag. My uncle put it on for like try it on. Me say my phone ever dead. I be a Sheen things, I be a Sheen bag I have guys because online me shop mostly for my things then. I use a Sheen bag them and put in me birth certificate and them something there, you know. In my bag. So Monday I'll be doing an official packing for you guys. My nice clean J-Lo cologne. One cologne I have now. One cologne I have right now. So I'm showing you the ear. That's also the battery not dead by the time I take out the blasted ear because the phone at 1%. What is that there? Ladies, I not condone the violence, but I was having a scissors span, you know. The world too scary. So I'm tell you, so I watch a video. I want a woman get robbed. Ooh, nice packaging. How are this? Oh. Why do they give me so much shit for pull? Pull off and them system have our nails. Alright. Hurry, before the phone dead. Ooh, I got a satin bag. Yo, you know I said the ear nice when it come in a satin bag. Alright. This reminds me of one time I got my first wig. So this wig is from I Love. All you need is love and a great ear. Beautiful little model. Nothing else. Not even chips. So this is a 16-inch here. Guys, I don't know some of the loveliest wig. Lord Jesus. No, they're not giving nothing. No, sir. Then that's boring, sir. Right, sir. But the material feels so good. They're not, guys, they're not even give me a wig cap. For sure the people them big and cheap. The ear feel nice too, I'm not gonna lie. My ear just I go angle this man. How would it? Oh, come here, sir. What? It's nice, guys. It look nice. I just I go mad up this. But yeah, that's all for now because Monday I go vlog packing my bag. So I'm gonna show them my outfits and everything Monday. So yeah, not until Monday. I gonna pack my bag Monday, but I go vlog. If I go to the party tonight, I go vlog through the party there. But Monday, I go do the packing and show them my outfits for my birthday. Right? Right? So I love no bad. Just keep on liking, commenting, and sharing this because more enough likes and share and everything on this. The phone soon dead, you know. I saw me that talk so fast. Okay, so this is day 3 of the facial thing that I was doing. So I'm going to take a bath now, do the facial thing, and I'm going to go to Harvard Tree to pick up something. I think I'm going to drop off a person on this too. So I'm going to bring you guys with me. So let's go. So this time I kind of look presentable-ish. Yo, alright, but that's why I said this out of the blues. If y'all gonna order something from me and me have to call on your phone for get to you for get the thing what you want, it not gonna work. I'm supposed to drop off her order today. I'm here calling the girl phone and she not answer. She come online, she not respond. That just throw me off. But I'm gonna deal with my personal business right now. And then I'm gonna bring her with me. I feel like I'm gonna get something nice to eat. I'm not joke. I'm not lying. I feel like I get something nice to eat. But I don't know. Maybe ice cream. Or something to treat myself. Because it's 8 more days until my birthday. Yeah, and my skin, guys, upon my skin. It look like it'll clear up. So I guess the thing is working. I don't know. But yeah. Let's go to the MoneyGram. Tomorrow Sunday. Monday I go pack with you. Tuesday morning. Tuesday. What am I gonna do Tuesday? Tuesday I go maybe collect some of my birthday gifts and buy. Wednesday I go buy Wednesday I go buy something. I don't remember what I go buy. But I think I go buy something. I go do one shopping Wednesday evening after school when I go buy things I want to wear. Like I need an eyeglass. I want to look like a city girl. You know, driving to Runaway Bay. Lord Jesus, you need to look like a city girl. So I feel like more want eyeglass and maybe one chain. And Thursday, I think Thursday I'm going to. No, Friday or Thursday. I don't want to go on the road every day of the week. Because I don't have every day of the week money. So either Thursday or Friday, I go do my nails on my toe. And I go give my eardress and my ear to pre-pluck and all of that. So guys, I think I can see my head. So yeah, I forgot church today, but that never worked out. So I'm showing you my heels when I go pack. Well, my heels them, cause I bought 4 heels more and bring, but I can't find the black one. So this is Bella Marie. Meet Bella. What's your name again? Yeah, Bella Marie. Meet Bella Marie, guys. Yeah. This is Fashion Nova. I think you've seen her before. Well, let's see the. Yeah, I'm not saying we wear the both of them here before. Bella Marie and Fashion Nova. I don't think you have seen me wear the Steve Madden before. The Steve Madden a pop out. Oh God. Steve Madden a pop out, guys. See my go pack up these. One thing I love see my shoes them in a box. So that's why I always keep them in the box. So that it don't mash up quick. Cause this in a box, the side look like it a leaf. A gyrat, no, watch it. If you can't see it. Wagwan. So I'm gonna try glue it up because I don't want to mash up. Hey, so I did not get to go to church or even the party. Today is Kayla's birthday, so we'll be going to get ice cream at Content Spring with her because we did not plan anything. So we said, all right, let's get ice cream. Oh, that looks like I'm a 6-pack though. So yeah, let's go. Period, birthday girl. And I guess rich. Oh, we should have something there.
But Jay, the thing for the ox card, I wait there.
Guys, we are going to do a little shopping. I don't know where Kayla gone. Going to do a little shopping. What's she there? Kayla? Oh. Pick up anything I want, friend. Anything. I want anything I want. Cause she's nice. Give me a 360. What you bumper? Take up anything I want. What you want? Take up sneakers, take up heels and them something there. She not girly, no? She not girly at all. Watch a nice pink heels, yeah. I think you have a blue one like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
I would have. You don't look like somebody woman know. Hello. Hello, sir. You look like somebody I know.
Happy.
Girl. Put it on, huh? Yeah, look.
If I look at me, I look at the camera.
The fucking city girl. Look at me. Period. Just from LA. Bitches
With the tag.
No.
Catch you at that big.
Not you jump in the first.
I must know. KFC?
Shame to kill you. In Ilo, trying to find a drink for her. The girl has stressed me out. Yeah. Hey, my chocolate. So guys, me also vlog bad. Me don't vlog properly. Cause yesterday, this is my outfit for today. So I'm sexy and nice. I'm going to school now. It's about, right now it's 5:50. 5:50 or 5:40, I don't remember. And the vlog is going bad because I'm not even sure no one time I just sell my products them. And no, it does a 5 years of my birthday and it does feel demotivating. Very, very much demotivating. Very much demotivating. Me have school, me have assignments, me here for do. I know me not pack. Me need to pack. Sometimes I believe when I pack up the things then I go feel some type of organization. I just go feel organized. Me don't know, but me not pack. So and the ear, me not give the lady the ear for prepare it because me don't know if she going to diet or what. Or what? I not about to tailor the dress because I ask somebody else's opinion and them say it's not that bigger than my breast. So it's not off because it's up at the top, it's kind of big-ish to me. And them I say no, it's not that big, so I have to tailor the dress. My two of my nails need to do. I take off the press-on nails, so I guess my mind decides I'm not wear that. Because I was going to maybe wear it and design it with some different things on it, but I don't know, maybe I just wear one different set of press-on nails, but my toes them really need to get done. And I really need to go buy, one slippers because I don't have any slippers for the hotel. Guys, I reached school, got a bottle of water. I'm trying to finish up some assignments. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Later on when I finish my assignments and finish my first class, I'm going to go sell the press-on nails. Yeah, so I do my assignments then right now. Yeah, I need something to eat.
I sold 2 nails that day.
Okay guys, so today is look over to you. So today is Wednesday. Today is October the 12th. 12 Miss Campbell? Yeah, 12. So this is 4 days until my birthday. Me and Miss Campbell are going beach. We go beach?
Yeah, we're going to travel.
I lie, she will tell. She a go on her field trip. So they can go check out that the video there on our channel when it upload. And I'm going to school. So this morning, so from last night, I do an assignment for school. And then
Really.
yeah. And then
You could put on one socks for your
and then me never admit that. We not rush to come out, and then in the morning me finish it up. So the other group member need to go do fear part and then we go to school. We submit it. So me know me not vlog properly, but I hope that tomorrow the vlog can really begin. Cause me need one slippers. More one slippers.
Hey, don't bad mind.
What me do?
You turn with this.
Me not turning. Me go so me only cause you're so hot. Oh pretty. We throwing a black bottom and sneakers. So she go like she add people. So anyways, let's go.
Ella es baja y delgada. Ella es trabajadora, educada y divertida. Mi padrastro y hermana menor tiene el mismo nombre, Jamaican.
Hey guys, so today is October 13. 6 more days until the Dolly birthday. I just pull out my plaits. Okay, tall ear girl. Okay, long ear girl from India. The Persian. The tall ear girl from Africa. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Right now I'm going to be washing. Today's gonna be a busy day. Today and tomorrow. Because today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. Then Saturday I'll be leaving Jamaica. Because I'll be going to a different place. And I need to pack. Oh no, I don't pack. I need to pack. Tomorrow I'm going to give the hairstylist the hair to customize. And guys, guess what? So oh my god, I'm so excited. So I asked one of my photographer friends from Ayee to do a little photograph for me so that I can post something on my birthday. So I already have an outfit. I just need to tailor it because the zip spoiled on the outfit. Like I was trying to zip it up, but the zip said deport from me using her. Yes, that's what the zip said, and it broke. So I need to fix the zip on that outfit. I also need to go collect some mug. You know, me say me collect again. Oh yeah, and I'm going to link up with Abby tomorrow because I think she's going to be at the shoot with us. So let us see how it works. I'm going to wash now. Later I go bring on with me, go do my nails if I go do my nails. And anything else I'm going to bring you guys with me, so stay tuned. Right over there with my tea. And guess what is in front of me right now? And I have just... This is breakfast. KFC chicken, fries, bread, tea, schoolwork. Yes! Schoolwork! So yes guys, I'm going to eat up and go bed and wash my hair and get on the road because I have a busy day. So from you see those, you know what time it is. So I'm about to wash my hair, bathe, brush my teeth. Also, I'm going to do a skincare routine. bang. So I'm back. I'm fresh. I bathed. Alright, so this is what I'm using in my hair. Yeah, so I'm going to be twisting up my hair. So it's just some twists and an oil. Look how rich my hair is. It's just so rich and beautiful. Oh my god.
Just step back, right? Right, let me now come so.
Food time. Thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah, I don't know. Food. I wonder if I should keep on the bonnet. God, this don't look good. This don't look good. We should keep on the bonnet, man. So I'm gonna be doing my toes and my fingers out of the big bud, the baddest nail tech in the hills. Nails by Tess. Tess Nail, the baddest nail tech in Leinster. Baddest. Tell her that. I'm gonna leave our link down in the description down below, so don't forget to go check her out on Instagram, because she's not only the baddest, but the customer service is top, is just through the roofs. Affordability through the roof. She's perfect. Like you can't argue with that. You can't argue. I'm so pretty. I can't bother myself. Nice. In my Burger King shirt. I should just put on one wig. Don't like this for me. But anyways, guys, I'm going to the tavern right now to do my nails. So let's go. So guys, it's opposite of the Lawrence Tavern police station. And you just go inside. So on the front you have her contact number, her Instagram, the logo, and you just press the buzzer to go inside. Hi, good evening. Yes, so you'll be greeted. You have phone? You have phone? When I was your age, maybe you have a tablet. Guys, I finally finished. This is the look. Guys, I love it. But look how nice. I show, like when I reach home, I show no. I do want everything. I'm going to drop. Suppose it man lip me down. I'm gonna drop off my ear tomorrow. And everything. Why? My just feel so pretty. Good morning, USA. It's gonna be another day. Okay, good morning. So I promised to show you guys my nails. So these are my Makhalia inspired nails. Yo, they're so sexy. Look at the hearts, man. It's like giving wifey type. So much whatever. Show you it. My toes are not flexible, sorry. So today is the day where I'm gonna pack my things and leave this country. A joke. Wish me that fly out. That's what I aspire to do before I'm 21. Like, I need to fly out, go to Miami or something, go to Panama or something. So today I'm gonna pack. Definitely, I'm going to link up with Abby today. Definitely, today is going to be busy. I know, cause from going to Africa, I know it's going to be busy with traffic and all. And I need to drop off my hair today so that she can pluck it and customize it to the dolly. Yeah. Also, basically that's what I need to go get a slippers, like a yard slippers vibe to wear, but I don't get no chance. So maybe today I get a slippers. So guys, this is the big hell of a suitcase. Big suitcase, my guys. Oh Jesus. I'm gonna dust it off because it's kind of musty. So yeah, let's pack. Okay, so these are most of the things that I want to bring. I want to show you some of the outfits and what I'm gonna wear them with. These are the outfits that I'm going to wear. This is what I'm going to wear to go. This is the first dinner outfit. This is the birthday fit. These are some, in the days outfits. I think I'm going to wear this comeback, or I'm going to get another outfit to come back in. So these are the heels. I did not find the black heels. I need to look for it because I need the black heels to wear with this. Yeah, these are the bar suits. Also, this is my birthday gift. I got it from my sister. Period. You can't pull it with one on, but it's a bath suit. It's a swimwear. So yeah, I'm just going to pack her. So me I wonder if I put my shoes them in it, I get then a box of my shoes. Come in here, them nice man. The boy not married to me yet. Oh Jesus. You know what I do? I put them here in one different box. I just put the clothes them in this. Don't it? Yeah, girls and boys. Hey my babies, some of you don't put on the fit here. My toes and my nails and this look so sexy. You know this little vibe we have? Like, they're so short and I'm like, don't play with my wifey type nails. And it's super nice here. So now, we'll get ready for go after 3. Like by 1 o'clock. No, after 11. May I go, what's am I gonna do? Oh yeah, I'm gonna get like a slippers over my father yard and some other things over there for packing in the suitcase because I just realized say I not have no slippers. I want slippers alone. Me have one down up on my foot over here, so hey guys, guess who I saw? Period. My best friend in high school, my maths partner, maths baby. I saw another one of my bestie westies in high school. Period. Bye. Juicies. Me and Abby, but Abby can't show her face. I'm sure her head back. Move your head there. And Abby friend. So we're going to get our cousin. Abby I go buy
She used to be fatty. But like my nails in it doesn't make me look like my wife. So I never got what I went for at Offertree, but I got patty and coke, and also I went to my hairdresser to drop off the hair. Pretty! Look at my gift guys from Errand.